Hey guys, Dr. Niranjan this side and Navya here. So
Hi.
cut again. Let's start that again.
Please. Okay.
Guys, Dr. Niranjan this side.
Hi, I'm Navya.
So as you have seen thumbnail right now, this is something completely different which is happening in my YouTube channel. Usually I upload cover songs or sketching arts or anything randomly, but this is an idea proposed by Navya.
Yeah, we thought of doing some fun challenge together. So here we are. He'll be explaining it to you all.
Completely, the idea is completely hers, not mine. The credit goes to her. And if you are not following her on Instagram yet, the link is given in the description box. Go and follow her now, and also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, other social media platforms. The link is again given in the description box. And let's start today's video.
Yeah, let us.
Let's
Guys, the game goes like this. We both have to choose 10 songs for each other. So I'll be playing my list of 10 songs, and he's gonna guess the actor, actress, anything. Actress.
I'll go with the actress.
Okay. Yeah, he'll go with the actress, and I'll guess the actor. So if he gets to lose, yeah,
I will.
He
For
will,
sure. For sure.
So he has to do whatever I say.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So you know that I'm gonna lose now, so it's fine. Let's see.
Let's get started.
So get started now, guys. So she is right now choosing the songs.
6.5 hours later.
Coming with heels. Coming with heels.
I'm gonna destroy her now. Complete destruction.
Dreams.
Annihilation.
Wait. The starting of the challenge. Are you ready? To get
Completely
destroyed.
That's my line.
To
That's
get
my
destroyed.
line. That was my line. Complete destruction.
Let me take your line, because.
De diya, le lo.
But you got to guess it like by 10 seconds.
Within seconds. Okay.
10 seconds.
Okay.
No?
Okay.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Easy peasy.
Too easy. Still making it easy. 15 seconds. Okay?
Too easy.
Okay.
What else? Okay.
Don't tell me which one it is. Your fans will kill you.
Hey, Shah Rukh Khan's movie. And Kajal.
Okay.
Kajal. Yeah. I forgot the name of the movie. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, right?
But you know the song, huh?
Wait, that same song. It doesn't come just like that, dude.
It's a famous song.
I got it right, but it's Kajal.
Yeah, he gets 1 point.
Domination has already started right now. Dude.
Oh, dude.
This is tough, man.
Famous song it is. Okay, a little bit you. Let it go on.
Shah Rukh Khan. Kajal again. Fana movie. Okay.
See, I'm giving all easy things for you. Yeah.
Amir Khan and Kajal. That's easy.
That's because of that music only.
तेरे हाथ में
मेरे हाथ में
मेरे हाथ में okay, तेरे
तेरा हाथ
forget
हो.
I win 2 domination.
I'm giving all easy things.
Hey, what is here? That Mawla when I I'm like, what is this? Some Sufi is going
Yeah,
on.
that's how you should guess it now first.
Okay, fine. Here comes the third song. Bagpiper. What is this?
What? No. Guess. Oh!
I didn't see. I don't know the name of this. Hey, Raghu Dixit, no. The singer.
Singer he is.
Huh.
You're supposed to guess the actor or the actress. Actually, you're supposed to guess the actress.
Who is this? That
You're just breaking the rules.
Shetty guy? What is that name?
Kuch bhi. If you're Shetty.
What is this?
Everyone is Shetty. Go on, you lose.
I don't know. I know the song, dude, but I don't know the. I lose.
Okay. On you are. Kannada fans will hate you.
ಕನ್ನಡದವರೇ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದವನು ನೋಡಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So please don't hate me. I love you all. I know the song, man. Tell them the name, no.
Sudeep Anna, Badshah of Sandalwood.
My favorite. I'm sorry, Kichana, Sudeep Anna, gottilla. I missed it, man. It's not like I've seen every movie of Kicha Sudeep, sir. I mean,
that's the most famous song because he has sung it.
Embarrassing. Okay, fine. One. I lost one. Still, I'm leading by 2. So we still have like 7.
Happiness.
Wait for my turn.
Most played in my playlist. Most played song.
Okay. What do you listen to, man? Nashidi songs and
oh my god, this is such a beautiful song. Don't tell it's not nice.
Mahi Ve. Hey, Neha Kakkar.
You're all telling singers. That's why, na. See, that's why I'm making it difficult for him.
Wait,
because he just know about singers and songs.
Oh god, I know this song, dude. Hey, I know this song, dude. Okay.
Close.
Mahi Ve is a song. Hey, that's an album song, right? Is it a movie song? Okay. I don't know. Who is it? Farhan. Mahi Ve. I know the song, but who is the actor?
Zareen Khan. Zareen Khan. I knew you not know. Okay.
I lose. No problem.
Only 2.
Just lost 2. No, I've won 2. At least it's better than 0, I guess. Because I had full confidence in me that I will be losing this very terribly, horribly, and.
But still, guys, I'm giving him easy songs. Don't you all agree?
You're giving me easy songs, but it's very hard
agree,
to.
Please go and comment down in the comment section whether you're in my team or his. Please, you always be in his team. At least one day, just be.
Support me, guys. Support me.
I'm giving him easy, huh? I'm giving him easy.
हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. But still, we have 2.
Okay.
2. We're leading by 2.
Next.
मतलबी ए हो जा शराब. I know the song, man. Dude, such easy songs and I don't know the actor's name.
Like I'm giving you all crazy songs, good songs, and easy songs.
Arijit Singh song.
See, again singers.
This title should have been guess the singer's name, man, not actor's name. Shit.
Singer is easy.
Winning. Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir Kapoor, yes.
Actually, I didn't guess the.
Got it.
Actually,
Got it, man.
No, you have to guess the actor. How can you guess the actor? You have to guess the actress.
Deepika Padukone. Katrina Kaif. Who is he dating, dude?
What controversy? Controversy.
What the hell, dude? Hey, Alia Bhatt.
Like anyone, pura one.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt. Who else you told?
I don't know who is it. I said the Ranbir Kapoor. I didn't have half points.
No, how will you get?
I need half point. Oh, who is it?
It's Jacqueline Fernandez.
Salman Khan's girlfriend. Shit.
Why do you tell girlfriend?
Listen to that. So we'll skip that part. It's going to take some time for you to settle down on that after. So we'll skip, guys.
Okay.
5 more to go, and I'm leading by
Next one.
3.
You just no 2. That's it. 2.
Zomato.
No.
Zomato.
Vaseline.
What's this Vaseline?
Okay. Here we
I
go.
think Saif Ali Khan. Deepika Padukone. And there's one more lady, I don't know her name, but she looks like Deepika Padukone.
She does.
What if I got it right? 3.
Okay. Let's give it.
We'll keep
Which
on
movie?
Title is like what? Is it like guessing the movie name?
Cocktail.
Cocktail. Which I don't drink. Not my department. Hookah bar.
Hookah bar.
Hookah bar. Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar though, you can't guess that. Who is the heroine?
I'll make a face and you get her name. What does this mean? Actress name? Asin.
Oh, you know.
I know her. She's my crush. She used to be my crush. So I won how many? 5?
No, 4.
4?
3.
Hey, what? 5, 4, 3.
No, 4. No, 3. 3.
Hey, 4 man.
3.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Fana. What else? Ranbir Kapoor. Not Ranbir Kapoor. That's Deepika Padukone. I told no. Saif Ali Khan. This one. Then.
This one. Okay, 4.
4.
We'll go some Telugu.
Fine.
Telugu.
I'm a multilingual. What is it called? Multilinguistic. Linguistic, yeah. I'm a linguistic person.
I don't think. See, I'm purposely giving it because you should lose.
I cannot lose this, man. I own this. I'm owning it right now. 4.
Go.
What is this? Intro. At least fast forwarded. This is like what? Heartbeat. Pilara.
Yeah, tell who. What?
Who knows actor actress name? Song name is Pilara. Actress is...
She's a famous actress. So...
Of South?
Telugu. She's actually a Nordi. So... Hints. Okay. You sung this song.
I've not sung this song yet. She sings really good. No, I don't know.
Payal Rajput. Her name is Payal Rajput.
Fine. So it's like 4 and...
It's 9?
Yeah.
9. The last song.
I have not lost 4. I mean, I have not lost 5.
You have lost 5.
I have lost 5? Okay, 5 and 4, okay.
Go!
Barso Re Mega Mega.
Yeah, tell who? Easy.
Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya
Yeah, giving
Rai.
it all points. This is
Try go, sir.
Tamil.
5 and 5. You should sing this song.
This is Tamil, yeah.
Tamil is such a powerful and wonderful language.
True. Telugu also.
I won.
No, it's just
5.
5.
Yeah, 5. It is not bad. It's
Given
like
all
neutral.
easy.
It's
easy,
neutral.
Consider. Now,
That was not easy, man.
that was
Fine.
easy.
My turn now. Neither leading nor the. Just 5. I just 5. So she needs a 6 point to defeat me, which I think is not possible. Definitely. You want to accept your defeat right now? I don't think you can guess on one.
If I tell you, you need to beep it. Wait. Beep. So,
Cut that. Wait. Here goes the first song. Okay.
bring it on.
ये देखो जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरान है। ये देखो जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरान है। फूल से खुशबू खफा है गुलशन।
What a beautiful song. I'm enjoying. I know. I'll tell you.
Hey, tell man. Okay, what is
Hrithik
that?
Roshan and Aishwarya Rai.
This is right.
Yeah, very nice.
No, I I just didn't want you to lose in that zero thing, so that's why I just gave you that.
That
one
even
song.
I gave you easy only.
I just gave that one song, like you should have, Let's get stuff. This song is like, guess this one.
Give like famous songs.
So you need to guess the actor's name, right? Okay, guess this.
I'm guessing.
Download Amazon
Not this. This is Amazon.
and listen to
Not this. Wait. Shall we skip it?
सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझे में पाया तूने
We know the song. Tell the actor.
और जीने को क्या चाहिए हाँ तू मिले
It's an old song, huh?
Yeah.
और जीने को
Wait, is it?
Oxygen will be like.
Wait. Is it mid Nama onji school time ka songs or very doom?
School time ka song. School time. No, school time ka song.
सारे संसार का
What? I can't lose your only.
तुझे पाया तूने दिल खिले और जीने को क्या
Except 15 seconds is
No.
done. 15 seconds is done.
Okay.
So do you know? You don't know?
Udit Narayan is this.
Udit Narayan, Udit Narayan, you don't tell me, okay? I thought even I guessed the song singer's name. So? It's Nagarjun.
Nagarjun.
Okay, we're down by 2 and third song.
Dilbar.
We know the song name.
The Garmi. Nora Fateh. And that one, John Abraham. No?
Oh, you lost one. 2, 1.
It's 2.
Fourth one right now. Okay. The fourth song. This is the fourth song.
I know the song. On tower.
Except
I know him. The very handsome. What's his name? Student of the year. Siddharth Malhotra.
you actually exceeded 15 seconds.
Siddharth Malhotra, I told.
Oh, we're down with the fifth. So hit it.
Gina. No, Gina, right? Yeah. This is from Badlapur.
Yeah.
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम
Varun Dhawan.
तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी
लिख दी मेरे हमदम.
This girl only watches movie in the house. Auntie, if you're seeing your daughter, no, see, ask her to study now. She's only watching movies.
No.
Auntie, खतरे में है, future खतरे में है. Movies only she's
कुछ
watching.
भी नहीं. The common sense you need to know.
What?
Common sense. मतलब Bollywood का songs का common sense. That makes sense. Now you can't give like tough.
Wait a minute.
उसको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं उसको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं
Goina.
That was easy, man.
That was easy.
Because of that, the Coolie number 1, the new one has come, Varun Dhawan, that's why, okay.
5.
The seventh song, hit it. He saw. Hey, cancel. Oh,
Shahrukh Khan.
that means you've seen all, man. Hey, I don't think I need to consider those 5 other.
Hey, no,
things.
you can check footage.
This is not included. I'll play another one.
Udi jai.
7th one, we're playing it again because she cheated. And here we go.
I didn't cheat. This is not easy.
Such an easy, such a beautiful song.
Wait.
क्या खुशबू ठहरे ना जो तेरी सांवरी जुल्फ के रूबरू
Anyways, I lost.
तेरे आगे ये दुनिया है फीकी सी मेरे बिन तो ना होगी किसी की भी अब ये जाहिर सरेआम है ऐलान है
Anyways, it's not counted because it was more than 15 seconds.
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, I knew.
You lost.
Hey, no, hey, I gave you also more only. Show more. I gave you more.
Anyways, I lost, man. It's fine, it doesn't matter. How much is it now?
Clap for me. Those who are in my side.
Children's when they win for the first time, no? This is the excitement they have. These are legends. Harkar B. We consider ourselves very, So we are writing the 8th song now. Yeah. Here we go.
घर वाले भी ना मेरे समझते नहीं है कभी-कभी।
That was cheating. I know that song.
I swear I didn't.
Who?
Kartik Aaryan?
Gone.
Wait,
Go on.
Varun Dhawan.
No.
Kartik Aaryan.
No.
Ranveer Singh.
Keep on saying. We'll get one.
Wait, something. Akal. Wait. Akal Natunji.
15 seconds done. Shall I say?
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Hi.
Jabra
You like
fan
Shah
song
Rukh Khan
from
so much?
King of Bollywood, man. Of course, who doesn't love it?
I'm
Ninth song.
going easy because I don't want
Ninth
to
song.
defeat him in like. Yeah.
कोई जीरो यहाँ कोई स्टार है
Salman
कोई
Khan.
बेकार है कोई हीरो यहाँ
Amir Khan.
कोई जीरो यहाँ कोई स्टार है कोई बेकार है मैं कौन हूँ तुमसे मैं क्या कहूँ है सच तो ये तो
Lose? Shah Rukh Khan.
I told Shah Rukh Khan.
When did you say Shah Rukh Khan?
I told-
Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Akshay Kumar you told. No.
Why
You lost.
Shah Rukh Khan always?
So this is the last one, no? And you're by what? 6, huh?
But still I won.
That's good, not bad, huh? You're just
Yeah,
giving the one
I'm
point.
just giving it like that
You're just
because
one by one.
I don't want you to lose just with so.
This 100% you can't.
Listen.
Last song. I'll fast forward it.
देखा तुझे तो
Akshay Kumar.
ऐसा लगा
Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh.
चाहत का
Salman Khan. What are you playing all the 90 songs?
This is not 90, such a famous movie, man. I'll give you the movie name. No, I want to. She'll win then. I want to.
Amir Khan.
No.
Give me the proper.
This was such an easy song. Even I don't know the actor's name. It's not mentioned here.
Oh, even you don't know. Then what?
That doesn't matter. As long as you don't know. You don't know? It was from Tarzan movie, and I'm sorry, but I don't know his name though. So if you guys know his name, just give it in the comment section box, guys.
Oh, this is your customized cap.
It's my cap right there, but it looks looks good on you, man. So that was it for today, guys, and clearly I won.
He lost.
Clearly I won.
Play
Due to pure cheating.
Roll that damaruga like that. Is there? Na?
What is the damaru? Hit the song. It's okay, children, when they win for the first time, you can see the excitement on their face. It's fine, it's fine. So guys, if you like this, guessing the song.
Yeah, I won and I'm going to keep this for myself.
Lelo. So if you like this, guys, if at all we get 1,000 likes on this video, we'll be making another sequel on this.
Bringing fun, exciting challenges anymore. And do you want to give it there? Like, I think we might come up with a song soon.
We are actually working on that as well, the new cover song. So if you like this part where we are playing this, guessing the actor and actress name, so if you want to make a part 2, if you want us to make another part 2 on this,
or you can also
comment.
Leave down in the comment section any challenges you want us to do. Yeah.
Exactly, that sounds great. We can work on that as well. So if you want it to happen, part 2, kindly go and drop your comment below, and also we need 1,000 likes on this video, guys. Just share this video.
Do subscribe.
And if you
comment and everything, just push smash
everything. And yeah, clearly she has won due to cheating and all that. That's fine, no problem at all. I am being a very genuine person right now. So if you are not following her, now we are on Instagram yet, go and follow her now. It's in the link is given in the description box. And also भाई को भी follow कर दे यार. Instagram में 100K होने वाला है जल्दी. And until the next video comes,
bye.
peace out.